Hi, hello, welcome to all the people who are watching me live on Bring Again, Alston's channel, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And we are also streaming live on YouTube and Sumo Deals as well. Today, I have a very interesting product, and in fact, it is interesting because I kind of believed in a product, to get this done. But unfortunately, we all know that we had some issues with the kind of commitments that were made by the other product. I don't think. I don't have to name it. We all know it. App My Site. So, I was one of the few people who believed in App My Site, stacked it in the highest tier, assuming that we will get all the features, unlimited features, etc. And probably we were all taken aback when they did not probably honor their commitment and brought a different tier, not offering the features that we all really wanted to have in the apps that we build for using WordPress and WooCommerce. And I've been trying out various applications. Somehow, in fact, there are few subscriptions also I made in terms of finding out if there is anything that we do, because I kind of had a plan offering that we will give free app along with website, etc. That's a campaign that we did, and I was badly caught because of that fiasco that happened. So from that time I've been searching for another tool. There were a couple of tools that I tried out. One with a subscription nearly came good, but then we all know how much we like to pay monthly subscriptions, etc. And that's when I came across Stacks, and Stacks has really been doing a very good job. So I'm very very happy to have Bassam Tarek, founder of Stacks. And in fact, after enjoying Stacks, I thought that I want Bassam to come and talk to the community and tell about this product, which I'm sure that we are all looking forward to. Hey, Basam, welcome to VenBa Talks. I'm happy to have you here, to understand what Stacks is and what is your roadmap and how well you can support us, in the various things. And in fact, I didn't want to bring you to another thing that I just discussed sometime before, which is not your problem. As a customer, it is my problem. But then, the only thing that I wanted to establish is that there are a lot of expectations in terms
Mm,
of this kind of application, because there's a lot of websites being developed on WordPress and WooCommerce, and if you could give an app which is extremely important for my customers now, it will be very good. I did test it out in the last couple of weeks, and I really found it very good. As you had mentioned in the website, I can get an application done in a couple of clicks. And
mm,
I wanted my community also to see that if this is really doable and what kind of commitments that you're giving and what is the plan, etc. And so that is the reason that I invited you, and I'm so happy to have you here. And as mentioned before, we are live on Bring Again, we are live on Alston's group, we are live on Sumo Deals, and we are also live on LinkedIn, Twitter, and um, YouTube. Before I give the stage to Basam, we had a VenBa revealer. This is the first ever time that we did for a product. We gave features of Stacks, and it did not name the product. And there were people who tried to guess it. There were some people who are successful in various groups, and there would be a giveaway from those people who participated in that revealer. Thank you so much for encouraging a new this thing, and thank you, Basam, for supporting us with a giveaway for that as well.
mm.
And as always, for all your engagement during this live session, there would be another giveaway. You will get a plan from Stacks as well. So with that, Basam, very quickly, where is your team based in, and where are you from?
Okay, hi Vicky, how are you? And hi to the whole community. I'm really interested to be with you today and to discuss with you the product. I believe that you will like it a lot, especially if you are having problems before with you using other tools. So replying to your question, I'm Bassam Tarek. I'm co-founder of Stacks, and we're based in Egypt. We're about 10 people. Most of us are developers and marketing and support members who are helping continuously our team and the people and the community uh, that we that we make the tool for, to have a great product at the end of the day and use it to establish a great business for their brands and so on. So we are based in Egypt, Alexandria, Egypt. It's pretty cold right now in Egypt.
Yeah, in
That's it.
fact, visiting which Egypt is in definitely is in my wish list. So probably one fine day I should be there and probably see you in person as well.
You're totally
Uh,
welcome to to come and visit us, and I'm sure I
Definitely.
meet you then.
Sure. So, Basam, why did you develop this? What was the background as to
Okay.
why stacks market? There are
Okay.
many products, and why did you choose to develop such an application?
Yeah. So first of all, I've been developing themes, websites for as solutions for customers for high ticket solutions, mobile applications and websites based on WordPress and many other tools. I've been uploading themes to Theme Forest, for example, and we are an elite authors on Theme Forest. And after that, I have been thinking why we are doing just themes. We need a place to make mobile applications as well.
Mhm.
But in back then, there wasn't a way, a fast way and easy way that makes a real builder for the mobile applications. We have been the first movers in the field of web builders in general, and after that came many other builders like Elementor and Divi and many other builders, as we all know. But after that, we've been thinking of making something useful for the community, really useful for the community, a real builder, a real mobile application builder that you can make for all the people. We have been making mobile applications for large brands like Oppo and Walt Disney. We made the game for Walt Disney and made mobile applications for banks and so on as high ticket solutions. But after that, we realized that most of the features of the mobile application are common. Most of them are common. All of them have login, Facebook login, and Apple login. Most of them have checkout process, the same checkout process, pretty the same. The add to cart experience, the e-commerce experience. So everything is pretty much the same. So we've been thinking why we are doing every single time we're doing the same development and doing the same thing for different customers, and why it is very costly, like $10,000, $15,000 and more to
Mm.
have a native mobile application. So that's why we started building the builder. Our builder, mobile application drag and drop builder, is pretty much the same as Elementor or Divi or any other web builder, but for the mobile application. It produces native mobile application. You just need to drag and drop your elements, choose the template, drag and drop your elements, change whatever needs to be changed, and then click build the Android or iOS, and the application will be uploaded automatically to Google Play and App Store. So the main purpose of what we have done is to make it possible for the brands to have the mobile application in just simple few clicks and without thousands of dollars to be paid in order to have a single mobile application, which is pretty basic, especially after the pandemic of COVID-19.
Okay, fantastic. So, see, I mean, there are a lot of products
Mm.
which does something similar to this. In fact, um, so if I'm sure you're going to give us a demo and we would be able to see all the
Yeah,
features, etc. But
yeah.
before that, what is the USP of Stacks? Well, I mean,
Okay.
if there is something that you are proud of, having in Stacks, what would that be?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So basically, we are the only builder, drag and drop builder that can do any design that you want for the mobile application. You can
Okay.
change the mobile from the header to the slider. You can add elements. You can add sections. You can add elements inside sections and columns, and add nested elements inside each others. And
Mm.
then you can add video. You can add, let's say, products, categories, and anything. You can link those categories and posts and together in order to, so that you can add a button, and that button would be an external URL linked to an external web view, or
Okay.
linked to a specific shop product or a specific category, or a blog post, even a blog post, normal blog post, so that you can, by this you can customize the flow of the application the way you want. For
Okay.
other competitors, what they do is that okay, here is the mobile application template. Here's this place has a slider. Do you want it or not? Just turn it on or turn it off. That's it. Okay. Do you want the products to be three columns or two columns, or remove it totally? That's it. But in Stacks, you have the total customization, the full customization, and full capabilities of building the application the way you want. So, and
Okay.
for sure, as we all know, the user experience of the mobile application or of the brand is the game turning point. Yani, all what we need to do at the end of the day is to make a mobile application and a website that is has a high user experience, and the more or the better the user experience that we do, the better the conversion rates that we will have at the end of the day.
Got
So
it.
I believe that if we are just having selling templates and that's it, then we are limiting the capabilities and possibilities to have a higher conversion rates. But if you
Got it.
are giving full customization for the mobile application, then we are delivering some value here.
Got it. Got it. Fantastic. So, Basam, are we ready to give a demo to our people so that we
Yeah,
can very quickly say if how quickly we can develop a mobile app? But
yeah,
okay, and then we will take questions from the community as well. Can you please
yeah.
share your
Let's do it.
screen and give us a demo?
Okay, let me share the screen.
Okay. So, meanwhile, hi Aditya, hi Sajwal, hi Jeannie, hi Suhail Ahmad Dar, hi Virapaneni, hi Sajwal, hi Abhishek. Hi Suhail, Kyom. Hi Mausam. Okay, so in case your name is not displayed while I'm showing the comment, hi Jit. I forgot to say. If your name is not displayed, kindly comment your name. Otherwise, I'll miss you for the giveaway. So, Basam, your screen is shared.
Yeah, perfect.
We are
So
able to see
you
your
can see
screen.
my screen correctly, right?
Yes.
So, okay, perfectly. So, this is the main view of the builder. Here, as you see, the project number that we have, you can have multiple projects for your clients. If you're an agency, or if you're a single customer, then you will have most probably you will be having one project for your brand. You can add the projects that you want. This is the number of projects that you have, and this is the website. Currently, I'm connected to the demo website. For the mobile application to operate, it needs a database, and this database for the current setup is connected to a WordPress database, since it's widely used. More than 40% of the internet now works on WordPress, so it's widely used. That's why we are working perfectly with WordPress as a start. Uh, but if you don't have a WordPress website and you would like to have just a web view mobile application, then this is possible. We will not use the link at all, and we will jump to the website that you want to preview totally. Uh, for this view, currently in the current setup, I'm previewing to you the home page edit. This is the home page. You can edit the home the way you want. As you can see, what if I would like to have templates? Do you have templates for the home or the mobile application at all? Yes, sure. We have templates. We have many templates to preview. If you would like to work as a blank template, here you go. A toy template, car accessories template, and so on. There are many templates that you can use for your brand. Let's say for now, I'm going to work on this template. How can I edit it? What's the possibilities that I can do for this mobile application? As you can see, everything here can be editable and everything can be moved around through the builder. For example, if I'd like to change the header, then I can make it as an image, or I can make it as a color. This is a color. I can change the color the way I want, or I can let's say I'll make it light blue like this, or I can add it as an image. Okay, just upload an image from desktop. Let's say here's an image of the header. Okay, so the header is changed totally. Okay, so after that, here I have for the template, I have an image and a text title and so on. What if I can I resort things? Yes, sure, you can resort things. Let's see. Let's say I'd like to check if the sorting works for the tool. I can, let's say, make this at the bottom. Here we go. So I changed the place of the elements here, as you see. Okay, and this is a slider, and this is a products. and at the bottom there is products and another title, and you can add an image or a GIF like this, and this at the bottom will be an image that links to whatever page that you want. Okay, for example, what if I'd like to add some other things like image? Okay, I'll just click on the image and then browse it, choose the image that I want, and link it to whatever thing that I would like to link, a product, a category, a post, or an external URL. If I'd like to click on the product, there will be a full list of products that I can choose. Okay, let's say I'd like to add a text, for example. So I'll have a text editor in this case that I can add whatever text that I want, and it will be displayed here. And I have a full variation of options to choose the style of the text itself and the font weight, the font size, and anything that I'd like to edit in this case. Okay. For example, I'd like to change the font size to be larger. I'd like to change the font itself. We have more than 1,000 fonts of Google Fonts to change across the application. Okay, let's say, what if I'd like to add products or my categories? Okay, for this case, I have a categories block that I added. In this block, I'd like to have manual selection or show all categories. In this case, I'll show manual selection, just two main categories like the dogs and birds, and would like to have a specific order for them, or they are ordered as you have chosen them, the dogs and birds, and that's it. There are many styles. There is grid style or list style for the categories block, and for the posts block, there are three styles actually, like the three columns and grid column and the carousel. This appears more in the if I have many products, more than three products, the grid will be three columns under each others, and they will be listed down here. There is also an option to add post block or a button or a section, and this is the interesting part actually. You can add a section, and in this section, as I mentioned, I can make it two columns and add this image in one of those two columns. As you see, the section has an image and has a text like this way. Okay, so as you see, you can make whatever design. You can add the slider in half of the screen. You can change the background of the whole section to make it like, I can make it full width, for example. I can make it red or green or whatever. Okay, color, and the section height can be adjusted to the elements, and or I can change it to whatever I want in this case. Okay, after that, I just click on update, and that's it. The mobile application saves the home view. This home view is totally saved like this. Before I navigate to the, or I can show you actually how the mobile application will look like at the end of the day. Okay, suppose I built an APK and uploaded to the simulator to see it with you. I'm going to check it out on this platform. This is a simulator, Appetize. It is used to simulate the mobile applications that I give to them. If I need to refresh the page, I'm not sure. Okay, okay. It's launching the application. Okay, the application is there. This is the splash screen, the icon, the splash screen, everything can be edited and changed. Okay, the header is there, slider, and okay, let me browse, image, the products, the GIF, and at the bottom there is, okay, let me increase the section height a little bit so that we can preview the changes, see the changes together. Okay, that will be at the bottom. Okay, let's save. Let's close the application and open it again. Just like that. This is a real-time update feature. Actually, you don't need to, if you'd like to change the design, for example, you don't need to upload the application again to Google Play and App Store. What you need to do is just click save in the builder, and the application, anyone who will close the application and open it again, it will appear. As you see, here we go, the section with the two columns appears here, and all the other elements appear in the mobile application as well. So what else? What else in the mobile application that we can see? The mobile application is not for sure just the home view. It's a full mobile application. You can click on one category to see the products inside the category. I can make a login, for example, in order to let me log in the mobile application in order to be able to check out, for example, to show you the full process of the application. Okay, so I'm logged in right now. You can see it from here. There's my account, orders, and so on. And uh, I'm clicking on the categories again and the product. I'm going to choose the product, add to cart. The cart is added. Let's add another product to the cart. And then go to the checkout. This is the cart page. You will see that you have the prices and so on and the checkout. I can choose the checkout this way. Okay, so this is the checkout screen. You can add your details and add everything, and then the order will be seen at the end. Here are the various payment gateways, and this part is very interesting because this checkout is the same checkout as your checkout of your website, so that we don't need to integrate with your taxes plugins. We don't need to integrate with your shipping plugins. We don't need to integrate with your payment gateway plugins in order so that you have a custom payment gateway that works specifically and customized for your website. It will work perfectly here because in this page we have a web view in this situation. So I'm going to work on cash on delivery, for example, or direct bank transfer payment gateway, or any other payment gateway, PayPal, or any other payment gateway. It will work perfectly. Then just click on place an order, and then the order is placed, and you are good to go, and the order is placed in your application. So that's it for the home. I edited the home. I've shown you how to navigate in the home and make an order from the home that I have just edited till now. Okay, so what if I'd like to make other options? Is there other options in the builder? Yes, for sure. This is just one feature in the mobile application builder. I can choose from here the global font of the mobile application. For this case, we're using, let's say, Poppins font, but we have more than 1,000 font of Google fonts that you can choose in your application in order to have a better experience with your brand and the global font size or the base font size for the whole mobile application. You can change it from here as well, and the all the views and all the fonts inside the application will be changed as well from just this global setting. If you'd like to connect with your website, you just add the site URL from here, download the plugin, upload it to your website, and add the link here, click connect, and then you are good to go. And what if I'd like to send a push notification to all my customers? Then I'll go to this place. I have already made the setup for the auth key and so on, which is available in the documentation, in our documentation. I'll make a title. Let's say this is an awesome offer, okay, and make emojis that you want, and then I can write the message buy one. Okay, let's say buy one, get one. Okay, uh, I can make whatever thing, whatever emoji, so that we can test. I'll choose Bassam from the list of users. I can choose as many users as I would like to, and then click send. Okay, message sent successfully. What will happen now? Okay, as we see, we have this in the push notifications, buy one get one, and the awesome offer. The push notifications workers. It's pretty easy. You don't need to do much work. It's for free, totally included. There is no add-on in order to be able to expect the push notifications to work. You have unlimited number of push notifications to send. But what if I'd like to upload the Google Play or App Store application? The Google Play is pretty easy. Just click on here and click build with the version. And in a couple of minutes, you will be able to have the APK or the AAB file needed for the Google Play to be uploaded on your Google Play account. And the same for App Store. But for App Store, you just have to click one button, and then the application will be uploaded to your iTunes automatically. All this for the homepage only. What if I'd like to change all the other pages? What if I'd like to navigate through other pages? Actually, this is what's coming in the upcoming week. We're going to release that the same for the home can be done for all the other pages and all the other views. You'll be able to open any view, click on the shop, for example, or categories or any other view, and delete all the elements inside this view and change it totally with whatever sections and that you'd like to have. You can add a slider, you can add categories, you can add products, you can add buttons, you can add anything that you'd like to. For example, if I'd like to add, in this case, I'd like to add a button, and this button can add link to external URL. You can add the link here to be whatever, your website.com. And once someone clicks on this website and a web view, the application will be turned to a web view with your website URL. I hope this answers most of your questions about the mobile application and how it behaves. And if you have any question, totally welcome to any question to answer any.
Okay, so there are plenty of questions as you are giving a
Ah,
demo.
nice.
Okay, uh,
Okay.
let me start from. Okay, so Sajwal is saying this looks a lot like mobile focused page builder that then packed into APK. Very interesting.
Great. Thank you.
Is that how it is?
Yeah, it's a mobile application builder. Yeah, it's not a website builder at all. It's a mobile application builder, and the main purpose that we're going to release in a week or a couple of weeks maximum is that you will be able to connect views together. You'll be able to make develop new views. Okay, I
Mm,
have the home view and the shop view and the cart view and so on. You'll be able to generate new views and connect them together through buttons and images and products and categories, as I said. So you'll be able, in the future, near future, you'll be able to make your own brand. Specific, it will be designed specifically, and the flow will be unique to your brand.
got it. Okay, Larry is asking a question. What is a search term to search in Google Play Store of already published app to see examples of real life usage of this app?
Can
So
you write the question at the bottom because it doesn't
Uh,
appear at the bottom?
okay, no, this is from a different stream. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay,
I'll make the question, summarize the
yeah.
question. So Larry wanted to see a sample application that has already been published in the Google Play Store.
Okay,
So
there are many applications. I didn't prepare the list right now, but I can write them down in the. There are many applications. We have demos on our website. We have applications of many of our customers on Google Play.
yeah,
On the Stacks
so
page, actually on the Stacks landing page, stacksmarket.co, on landing page at the bottom, you will find many applications that you can test and try yourself for our customers.
fantastic. So
Yeah,
Larry, to answer your question, there are, I mean, you wanted real life sites. It's not demos. So the real life sites are available in the Stacks website. So he's asking,
yeah.
can you name a couple? Can you just name a couple of
We have Fuji, for example. Fuji
Gucci,
is a brand for, yeah, Fuji.
Gucci?
FWCCI. Yeah.
Okay, Gucci, Larry, Gucci is one. You can see all those. Basam, can I ask you to just mention couple of customer names in the post in the various live where we are going? Maybe later after the live session is over, so that people
Okay,
can go and have
okay.
a
I
look.
can mention and I can send links as well in the
Yeah.
comment section of the live. Okay, after
Okay,
the live is done, so that I can take them from the team. Okay.
that would be good. So, Larry, just to give you one example, it is Gucci. Gucci is mobile app.
No, Fuji, not Gucci. FOOCHY.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, sorry,
I'm sorry.
it's not
I'm
Gucci.
sorry.
I'm
That
sorry.
was my
I'm
mistake.
sorry about that. I wish it was Gucci as
I
well.
know. I was like, okay. So it's Fuchi. FOOCHY.
Yeah.
Okay. So you could see that.
Okay,
And
I'll send it. I'll
yeah,
send it
just
in the at the bottom of the
okay.
comments.
In the post, in all the groups where we are going live, Basam or his team member will add couple of real life sites that has been built
Yeah,
using
exactly.
stacks.
Yes,
Is
this
that
will
fair?
make things easier. Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So there's one more question that says, how fast do you push new mobile app templates?
They push the mobile application to the Google Play and App Store.
No, 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 no. Templates, new templates. How
Ah,
quickly?
yeah. Currently, we have more than 25 templates.
Okay,
It's pretty easy to generate new templates, and our customers actually is doing yeah, better designs that we do actually right now. We didn't expect this amount of creativity in their designs, so they are making great things. So people can feel free to make whatever designs that you want, but on maybe every a week or so we are generating maybe 3 to 4 new templates and uploading them for everyone for free in order to be used.
got it.
And yes, for sure, you can use the application, you can test it locally whenever you like. You can test the application locally and then before uploading it to Google Play and App Store.
Got it. Okay.
uh,
So this is a question from Genie platform. Can I build PWA with the help of stacks?
it's not a progressive web application, but it's pretty the same concept. If you are going to talk about how I can update the application, basically all you need to do is when you click the update button. I'll speak technically right now. If when you click the update button, the all the data in the database is updated as well as soon as you click the update button. And when someone opens the mobile application, it requests the new data from the database. And if the data is changed, so the new data will be displayed for the mobile application. So yes, I believe that we have. It's possible to
Got it.
make the application. It's possible to have a real time application and the progressive. But the application, the concept itself is not progressive, but it's pretty much the same.
Got it. Okay. So Mausam is asking, after I customize a template, can I save it for myself to be used later on another project?
Yeah, we have this in our roadmap so that you
Roadmap.
can create your own templates as well.
Okay. Okay. So it's in the roadmap. It's currently not available. Okay. Genie is asking, can I create sign in, sign up feature within the app?
Yeah, sure. I signed in already. I signed in already in the application in my demo, and there's a sign up feature for sure. And after the sign in process or sign up process is done, you can send push notifications to this customer since the mobile is connected to a user somehow.
Okay. So Aditya is saying, can we add carousels that can be swiped left, right
Yeah.
only instead of auto slide?
Yeah, yeah, sure. There's the carousel. The carousel. If you are talking about the products, yes, it's possible for the products to have a carousel for the products, and you swipe it with your hand. If you're talking about the images, not yet available. I made it as an autoplay, but if you like, if this is requested by you, then you just post it to the community. You need this feature. We have a support tab. Just post that you need this feature, and we'll work on it. It's not hard at all. It will take about minutes to be implemented.
Okay. So can I add or change images or video directly from Pixels, Pixabay, etc. from your platform while customizing?
I'm not sure what are
No, they are all stock image providers, stock
uh,
videos, stock image providers. Can that
no,
be
you just
easily
need to
integrated?
download the image. No, currently you need to download the image and click on choose image and upload it again.
Okay.
That's the maybe in the future we have currently working on partnerships with some stock photos companies like Shutterstock and so on, so that you
Okay.
can choose from many images. But currently, the only possible way is to download the image and upload it again.
So Basam, I saw that you have a roadmap. So is that a public roadmap? Can
Oh
we
yeah,
go
yeah,
and
sure.
add features?
Sure. I can share the screen
No, no,
actually.
we will keep that later. But
Okay,
most of you,
okay.
there's a public
There's a
roadmap that
roadmap
is available.
button at
Public
Stack's
roadmap that is
website.
available. You can go and add features even if you want. But right now
Yeah.
it is not available. Maybe depending on interest from various users, I think they may add that feature as well.
Yeah, we have a community. We have a community forum. We take requests from the community. We take requests on email, actually even on email, and then we update the roadmap based on the users' votes and so on.
So does
That's
this app work on all types of devices? Is it responsive like tablets or mobile of any size?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, Android, yeah, yeah, the application should work on many mobile or any Android or tablets, whether it's horizontal or vertical screens. That's possible. Yes.
Okay, can we test the app on different Android or iOS versions?
Sure. Yes. Whatever the phone, the Android or iOS version is, you will be able to test it, to test on it. Just copy the QR code. When I click on the build Android, there is a QR code. Just make the camera and add it in front of the screen, and you will have the application downloaded before you upload it to Google Play. And yes, there or any different any Android. I believe that we're working from Android 4.4. Actually, it will be possible to view the application. So no problem with that.
Fantastic. So, if I upload my brand logo, will it automatically give my if there is a brand kit, will it automatically give me a template with that color?
Yeah, I see.
Something
Yes.
like AI.
This is not possible till now, but it's a great feature actually and a great idea. So I would love to see this as a suggestion in the community so that we can make it in the roadmap because it's really brilliant. From
Fantastic.
uh, yeah.
So, so this is a nice suggestion from Aditya. He says that it will be nice to be able to see the font preview. It's always a task to select each font to see what they look like. So, font
Yeah,
previews
sure. The
will
font
work
preview is there.
wonders.
Can I share my screen
Yes,
or it's
please.
not?
You should again share it.
Okay. Yes, sure. Let
Yes,
me.
yes, you are.
Ah, ah. Okay, I'm going to change the font. For example, this is okay. I'm going to change it. Let's say to this font, for example. Okay, okay, and then let's go back here. Okay, first of all, okay, let's make the font family the global font for this area. Then click update.
Okay.
Then let's
No,
go
no, no.
back.
Basam, one thing. I think I understood the question. Probably Aditya, correct me if I'm wrong, if my understanding. What he says is, can the font preview be available here itself instead of getting into the screen? So while I'm selecting the font, if I can see the review preview, it will be easier for me to add it. Otherwise, every time I have to select, refresh, and then go
Ah,
back.
no, you don't need to refresh. If whatever the font that I choose from here, it's in the preview in front of it. If that's what you mean. But if you'd like the list itself to be
Yes,
optimized,
yes,
till now the list itself is not doesn't have the font family. But why does this? We need to optimize the fonts. Once you click on the font, any name you want, I'm requesting it from Google, and then render it here. So I need to make it lightweight.
fair enough.
The most important thing is to have the builder itself is super lightweight. As you see,
Fair.
there is no delay at all. There is no refreshing. There is nothing. All you need to do is just clicking on links, and everything works perfectly. So that's the main purpose. So doing the feature like this way will make it a little bit slower, and that's what we don't need to do.
Got it. So I do not know who it is. Hi, hi. Okay. So please comment your name if in case you have not commented, but otherwise I'll not be able to take your name for the giveaway. Okay. The
Yeah.
next question is, does it support custom post types? I still do not know who it is.
No, custom post types. It's is available in our roadmap. Currently available. It will be available in the next month.
Okay, fantastic. Veerappan is asking, can I put social media buttons like WhatsApp, Telegram to provide chat support?
Actually, you can add whatever image you like, WhatsApp, Facebook, and add the embed link of WhatsApp, embed link of Facebook chat. There is embed links so that once you click on the chat
It goes
button,
to
you will go to the chat, and we have a video on our YouTube channel to show you how to do this. Add the chat buttons, different chat buttons, and forms actually, and make prizes in the mobile application as well.
okay. Okay. So okay, is there any way I can see the codes behind the app generated by your
No.
product? No.
Yeah.
Okay, Abhishek is asking, so can we convert any site made on any platform?
Actually, it's not converting. The word convert is not the right word here. You are not going to convert the site to a mobile application. if you would like to have a mobile application that shows your website, then this is possible. You can add the link as a web view, and the mobile application will behave as a web view. But if you
Okay,
would like to have a native mobile application, that will then you will go to the process that I just mentioned in the demo, to add the
got it.
blocks as you want and click save, and then it will appear in the application.
Got it. Okay, again, hello, thank you, hello, but I do not know who it is. Please comment your name. Fernando, it is my mistake. It is not Gucci. It is
Yeah,
Fushi.
yeah, yeah,
Foochy.
yeah,
Foochy.
exactly. It's
It's not
it's on
Gucci.
Stacks, and I'll share it as I said.
Yeah. Basam, just on that note, I mean, because it's very important because people need to get confident saying that there has been already applications which are real use and all those things. When do you think that we can give them the list?
The list after the webinar is done, after this video live is done,
Okay,
I'll share it. I will share it
please. If
instantly.
if you are not able to share it on the various posts, at least share it with me so that I can put it on the various
Okay,
posts.
easy,
Yeah,
no
that would
problem.
be fine. Okay,
Yeah,
so for whomsoever is asking for a real life link, Basam has promised that he will give it in the next 1 hour after the webinar is over. But I'll try to be little nice. I'll say within the next 24 hours, I make sure that you get the list of
okay,
whatever the real life usage is there wherever Stacks is being used.
yeah,
Okay, so Veerapan is asking, can I export APK, ABB
yeah.
packages for local testing without directly posting to Play Store?
Yeah, sure. As I said, there is in the Google Play there is a QR code that appears after you build, and then you can download the application through the mobile camera, and it will be available on your phone to be tested easily. It will be the APK for sure, not the ABB. The ABB specifically is for the Google Play, but it will be the APK. So yes, it's possible.
Okay. So I believe one of your team member, or I do not know who it is, has already added this list. But thank you so much for adding this list. But what
Yeah,
the community wanted is there any real life website? Okay,
yeah,
some
yeah,
customer using it rather than a demo application.
yeah.
That was what the request is. So thank you
Yes.
so much for whomsoever took the pain and showing this particular list.
Yeah.
I believe.
And regarding this point, I'd like to mention that actually we have on daily basis people are sending us their links and telling us, "Hey, we are live on Google Play, we are live on the App Store." But when we opened, for example, when we opened the application, it's only available in Mexico, for example. So I can't open it except via VPN or so. So that's why there is a limitation for people who are only allowing anyone to see the application so that I can share
Well,
them. That's why I need to check first for some links that can be shared and open in any area.
yeah, you can share the link. Probably we'll go and click the link and say this is available only for Mexico. We'll still be happy and come out. So, you know, I- so
Okay,
that's
okay,
fine.
no problem.
But at least
Yeah,
some links should be because I mean there are some discussions going on in one of the stream about this list not being available. So I'll be happy if we can get that list.
yeah, no problem.
So that people can get some confidence of using this
Okay,
particular
no
application.
problem. Yeah,
Okay, so. Okay. Regarding push notification, can I push based on conditions like time, location, etc.?
yeah. Currently, you just choose the users or choose all the users and send them. But those kind of customizations is not yet currently available. But we have those in mind to enhance how the push notifications work and make segmentations, A/B testing, and so on. So this will be upcoming after the changing modification of all the pages will be done. We will work on those customizations across the builder.
Okay, fantastic. So Sam Jasani is asking chat and analytics, are they available?
Yeah, the chat, as I said, you will add just an image or a button, and this button will redirect you to the whatever chat tool you have. App analytics is in our roadmap, so the chat
So
is
so
there. Analytics is in our roadmap.
okay. So I mean I'm guilty of making Sam buy the highest tier of another application. So probably he's asking the question, what are all the add-ons in the future? Will there be any add-ons to Stack that would be that would not be
But
available for
okay,
the current customers of current LTD players.
okay. Regarding this question, okay. So currently there are no add-ons. Everything is inside the product. But I
Okay,
can't guarantee that there will be no add-ons in the whole future.
fair enough.
Maybe there will be add-ons, okay, as many other competitors do. But what we are going to do in this situation is not making high prices and high tiers for whatever your subscription is. If you are an LTD, then for sure the add-ons will be as an LTD and for an offer that no other one can get. So it will be
Fantastic.
something discounted for the LTD people. If it will be even if it will be for a subscription, there will be tiers for the LTD people because we appreciate our early investors.
Fantastic. So, yes, Aditya, I understood your question. And as Basam said, that he wanted to
Yeah.
keep the application light, so that font review may not be available. But maybe in the future, if it is really necessary, that will be part of the roadmap and it will be available. This is for the font review. Okay. So, again, where will the Genie is asking, where will the leads be stored in your database? If okay, will the leads be stored in your database? If
No,
yes,
I don't store
then what
any.
about privacy and security?
No, I don't store any information of the mobile. The mobile application doesn't communicate with my server at all, or my server will go down once the mobile application. All my customers are alive. It will be high load. But what I'm doing is that you communicate with your own database. That's why you need to have your own WordPress. It communicates with your own database. I don't have a copy of that information at all. You are responsible for taking backups for the orders. You're responsible for taking backups for the users with whatever method you're doing for your website. So the privacy, security, everything is in your database. We have a privacy page that describes everything.
Fantastic.
Mm.
Okay, this is a question about, does this have notifications like new blog post created, etc. in your
Automatic
application?
notifications is going to be coming because we are developing a method through APIs that will be able to like Zapier and so on, so that you will be able to make automations for the push notifications and so on.
Fantastic. So, in case you have not commented your name, please comment your name because I do not have the name of the person who asked this fantastic question. Hello, Venki. Thank you so much. I do not know who it is. I'll be happy to respond back and greet you back if you probably add your name to this. Okay, Sammy Kwang. Oh, hey, Sammy. Sammy, thank you so much for being on our live. Okay, so please share that list here, link a list of links here too as well. Yes, it would be shared. Wait for a couple of hours. It should be done. And as I told you, I promise that it will take within next 24 hours. I'll get it from Basam or his team. So Sammy, one more. So those are the questions. Okay. Okay. There's one more question from this stream. They're saying, uh, what about e-commerce applications and payment gateway integrations?
Okay, as I mentioned, the payment in the demo, I have shown that the checkout is the same checkout of your website. So whatever payment gateway you have, whatever shipping method you have, whatever taxes plugin you have, it will be integrated in the application. The application will show it perfectly. You can choose whatever payment gateway in your checkout, so
Okay.
and it will appear in the mobile application.
Okay. And so that means that there will not be any commissions or anything like that. Whatever that is sold through the website.
For
Sorry,
stacks, no. I will not
through
take any
stacks.
commissions for that. No, no,
Yeah.
no, no, not at all. Yeah,
Okay.
everything is handled the same as it was handled in your website.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
So I think we are done with the questions. Okay, there's one important question which I kind of kept it
sure.
to the last. Can you
Yeah.
share the LTD deal link?
Mm.
So it's in Deal Mirror, right? Is that the link?
Yes, exactly. That's
Okay,
it.
so
You're
this is the LTD deal link. It's available in dealmirror.com/products/stacks hyphen lifetime hyphen deal dot deal.
yes.
So you can buy LTD from Deal Mirror. That's where it is available. Is it also available on the Stacks Market website? No.
I believe it was available. I believe now it's not available, but
Okay, it's
it's
only in
still
Deal
the
Mirror.
same. Yeah, yeah, I did.
Okay, it's only available in Deal Mirror. Okay,
Yeah.
James Fitzgerald has got a question. Does the app have any stacks
No,
branding?
no.
Okay,
The
so there is no
application,
branding.
no. The branding is only in the builder itself.
Branding is only in,
The builder
oh, in the
itself.
builder. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
which only I
But the
will be
application
seeing.
itself has no
My
branding. Yeah.
customers will not be seeing.
Yes.
Okay, so okay. I mean, in fact, I'm guilty of not asking about this to Basam before. Is there any discount code that is available for people who are watching live, or probably if somebody wants to buy it immediately? Is there any quick discount code or any offer that you can provide to the people who decide in the next, maybe 1 hour or 1 day or whatsoever it may be?
Okay, actually, it's pretty interesting to have something like that. Okay, once I'm sitting with my team, the marketing team here. So once we finish the go live, we can have a discount code maybe for one or two people who are watching this live. Yeah, I believe we can do so.
Okay, so okay, so we will. I'll have a word with Basam and get back to you. Okay,
Yeah.
Sam is asking, would you be, would you get on to AppSumo at some point of time?
Actually, I believe, yeah, I believe not yet. Yeah, actually, there is a problem. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, so AppSumo for the normal marketplace listing, there is no possible way to have multiple tiers. Okay, just for their listing that they choose. This is they have tiers in this place, but in the normal listing, there's only one tier. So we have currently a tier on AppSumo,
Got it.
but we can't add many other tiers. So if you'd like to have one single tier, then you can have it through AppSumo. But if you'd like to have more apps for the special deal, then you need to go to Deal Mirror.
Got it. Okay, I think Fast Musa has got a suggestion. Okay, fantastic options becoming available for app makers. Could you take an LMS like Akadil and turn it into an app?
Currently, you can make it as an web view, as I mentioned. For the features that is not currently implemented in the application, you can make it as a web view booking system, for example, and it's in our roadmap. Then you can make a web view, open the application to open your website, and then the application will behave the same as your website. But we have in our plans to have an LMS and have booking and academy to be able to build an academy mobile application, for example, and so on. But this is not currently the possible thing.
Fantastic.
Hmm.
So Aditya Sharma is asking you 50%.
We're currently on an LTD.
Yeah, Aditya, I have a selfish reason to display your comment because I also wanted the highest tier of stacks. So if you get a 50% off, I'm greedy as well. I'll also get 50% off. Okay, so let's see if we are able to influence Basam to give us that discount. But let's see after the live, he will discuss
Okay.
with his team and get back to us. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think that brings us to the end of the session. Thank you so much, everybody. But we'll go to the exciting part. Before going to that, there are a couple of announcements that I want to make. Last week we had a session from Rattle, and Rattle is running a 75% discount for people on Bring Again and Alston's group. So that's a code which is available on the post that we did. It's available till the end of this month. So Rattle is giving a 75% discount on their um, LTD plan, and then Worky is increasing their price, which is now available at $49. They are going to increase their price probably. I think in a day or two they will increase their price. So if in case you have plans to buy assessments, please buy Worky or Rattle if you want to have something like a user pack. Okay, so those quick announcements because I need to get your attention before the giveaway. So now coming to the most important or rather exciting time, it's the giveaway time. Okay, so let me quickly share my screen. There will be two giveaways, as I mentioned before the start of the session. One for the revealer, and the other one for people who were engaging on these streams. And once again, I mentioned if in case when I displayed your name, or rather your comment. If your name is not there, please comment your name. Otherwise, I will miss you for the giveaway. Right. So let me quickly share the screen. Share my screen. There you go. Okay, Basam, these are the people who try to guess our product. This is for the VenBa revealer. Okay,
Okay.
Ben. Okay, Ben. Yes, Ben Dallas. Okay, so this is for the revealer people who. Yes, James. Yes, your name is there. I have added your name as well. So let me shuffle this once. Okay, so as I told you, there will be two giveaways, one for the revealer. And for the revealer, you need not be present on the live. It will
Okay.
be the code will be given to people who tried and engaged on those particular posts on the various groups.
Yeah.
Once again, this Venba revealer uh, was in Bring Again, Alston's group, and Sumo Deals. So these names are coming from those comments that were made in those posts. Can I spin, Basam?
Yeah, sure, sure. Go ahead.
Okay, Aditya wins the code for the revealer. Okay, Aditya, you can reach out to me,
Yeah.
and I will help you reach out to Basam or his team members so that you can get a code of stacks so that you can.
Congratulations.
Yeah. So this is for the revealer. So
Yeah.
Aditya is present. He need not be present, but he's still present. So this is done. So let us now go to the live commenters. Okay, Sajwal, your name is definitely in this. Abdul, you are not late. I will add you to this one. Abdul Rahman, you are added. Others, can you just check if your name is there? This is for the ones who are live. Aditya, I'm going to remove your name from this, man. You can't win two. Should I remove? I'm
Yeah.
add,
Yeah, we need to give opportunity. We need to give some opportunity for other people.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to remove Aditya's name and going to add Sam's name to this. Okay, congrats, Faz Musa. So, for people who are live on this, this is the people who. Okay, Pradeep. Yeah, Pradeep, I missed your name. So, yes, yes, yes. I want to know Aditya. I will not give you two. Okay, so keep on. Okay, let me see because I've just replaced your name with Sam's name. If you're lucky, probably Sam gets it. Okay, so I'm shuffling it and then I'm spinning it for one more time. And I believe you all have checked if your name is there on the list or not. Because as I told you, I will not be able to add names which are where Restream is not displaying their names. Okay, let me spin for one more time. Let's see Sajwal's luck this time. Oh my god. Abdul, you must be really, really lucky.
Yeah. He just came. Yeah.
Abdul. Okay, I'm so glad. Abdul, I hope you are on the live. Please comment on the stream that you are in. I believe you are watching it from Alston's group. So comment and claim your code. If you don't comment in the next 30 seconds, you will lose the code and I may have to spin it again. Abdul. Okay, I do not know who is this winner. Abdul, comment your name because I'm not able to see your name. Abdul, you need to comment your name. Abdul Rahman, are you losing your code?
Ah, he
No, he
he's
was
here.
here. He was definitely here.
Yeah, he's here now. He just commented.
Where? I believe this is Abdul.
I
Oh, yeah,
see.
he's there. He's there.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, Abdul is here. Abdul is here. So he wins the code. I'm so happy because I don't have to spin it again. It's literally because every time. Okay, Abdul is here. So Abdul wins a code. Abdul, reach out to me later so that I can connect you with Bassam or
Yeah.
his team member to get
Congratulations,
to.
Abdurrahman.
Yeah. So congratulations, Aditya and Abdul, and hard luck, Sajwal. That's been a winning spree for you, but today we lost it out. Okay. So many congratulations, Abdul, and I'm sorry, Sam, and I did try my best to get us ourselves a code, but unfortunately we were not able to. Thank you, Basam. All the very best,
Thank you so much.
and lovely application to see. I really enjoyed using that.
I
Um,
enjoyed
and
talking to you too.
I'm sorry to insist. I think we need that list,
Yeah,
for people to
sure.
see. Just couple of lists would be. I mean, couple of. I mean, this thing would
Yeah,
be
I'll
good.
send you a couple of links. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be fine. Thank you, people. You've been an amazing audience as always, which helps us bring in amazing founders like Basam to you people and talk to you about their application. And Basam has also promised saying that whatever questions that you have on the various posts, he or his team member has been watching all the VenBa revealer and all the codes. In fact, I need to thank Marwa. Marwa was the one who was responsible, who
Yeah.
who kind of was behind me for the last 3 weeks to make these sessions happen. Hey, sorry, Marwa, because I did not keep up commitment for a couple of days for various reasons. But finally, we made it happen.
Totally okay.
Thank you so much. You've been so engaging in all the posts, and I'm sure that they will answer any question that you may have for somebody who is watching it later, not in live, maybe in YouTube or in LinkedIn. Please comment your questions on the stream, and Basam's team will be glad to answer the questions.
Yeah,
Thank you
exactly.
so much. I'll see
Thank
you
you so much.
again with yet another amazing application, Basam. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for your time.
Have a nice day.